What? How are you freezing right now? Bruh! No, man, what? Nah, dude, it wasn't freezing like this the first time I bought it, man. Clearly I've downloaded some weird apps, man. What have I downloaded recently? TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp? What's causing you to freeze? Nah, man, I can't do this. Setting you back to factory settings. When I bought you, you weren't this slow. Jeez. Okay, where factory settings? Factory reset. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna reset you. Bro, stop! Bro, where did you come from? You scared me. I came from the shower. Okay, but why are you wearing your towel like that? What do you mean? Don't all guys wear their towels like this? No, guy, no. Oh, that's the point, bro. Don't reset all. Dude, I'm just resetting the phone settings. I mean, bruh, are you crazy? Why would you want to reset all? Like, are you mad? Dude, listen, man, I studied IT. I'm pretty sure I know what reset settings are, okay? So I'm resetting my phone. Bro, don't do it. No, bro, no!
Keith? Bro. Bro, I told you. Bro. What's happening? Wait, I told you not to reset. Where are we? Where are we? We're in our dad's body, bro. We're in our dad's body, man. You thought you were so smart. Just because you studied IT, you thought you knew everything. I told you not to. Why'd you do it? No, I'm sorry, man. Why'd you do it? I thought it was factory settings, for the phone. Actually, bro, just shut up. I'm sorry, bro. Shut up. I'm sorry. Shut up, Chief. Wow. Fool. Idiot.